Hi there, I just wanted to show you the album kits and so you can see exactly what's inside them. I know the description on the website may not give you enough information, so I figured I'd do an unboxing of one for you. So we get a guidebook which will walk us through how to put all of the papers together for the stickers. So that comes with all sorts of stuff. So we're gonna see what all it comes with. So we get a repositionable tape runner with case, a pack of 80 embellishments, and a pack of 6 sheets of stickers. It looks like they're all border stickers for this one. And then we get a pack of 48 sheets of paper, and they're all done as the simple page kit styles. So they're only printed on the one side. So you get all your different layouts. Some of them have cut lines on the back, so you can see how to cut them apart. And then it comes also with one of 3 albums of your choice. This particular kit is the Natural Beginnings. I chose to get the Ebony album, but there's another, I think it comes also in caramel with the design on it, and then just a plain pearl white kind of ivory color. So this is the Natural Beginnings kit, and it's the album, and it comes with 16 top loading pages inside. And the idea is once you put it all together, you will have a completed album. So my next step is this weekend I'm gonna put it together, see how long it takes, and then I'll show you the finished album. Also, I wanted to let you know the pricing on it. It works out to approximately $194.50 Canadian, plus GST of course, but they've got it listed for $184.50, so you're saving $10 if you buy the complete bundle. Again, I will follow up with another video to show you how it looks and how long it takes.